Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the ILIFE V8S Robotic Mop and Vacuum Cleaner. The ILIFE V8S Robotic Mop and Vacuum Cleaner has a black and silver exterior with a digital display at the top. This display will always tell you what the battery level of the device is. There's a large circular green button to start and pause this device. The front bumper is where this robot's infrared sensors are located. On the bottom you will find the release latch for when you are ready to empty the 0.75 liter dustbin. This device has a max mode option that will increase the suction power, which is very useful if you have carpeting or rugs in your home. There are also 3 buttons on the bottom for the path, point, and border modes. It also offers an auto mode that will zigzag throughout the room to clean up all the debris on the floor. Measuring 13 inches across by 3.1 inches tall, this device is well suited for homes with low furniture. Some of the features of this robot vacuum include programmable schedule system. You can program this device to clean your floors on the schedule that you want. Remote control. The remote control that this robot comes with makes it very easy to operate from anywhere in the room. Max mode. The max mode that this robot vacuum offers will allow you to turn up the suction power when necessary. Some of the pros of this robot vacuum include ability to go under most furniture. The short stature of this device makes it able to go under many different types of furniture pieces in your home. Mopping function. The mopping function of this device will get your floors sparkling clean every single time. Large dustbin capacity. The 0.75 liter dustbin capacity means that you won't have to empty it super often. One con of this device is that there's no wireless support for mobile apps, so you won't be able to control this device from your smartphone. Coming in at around $250, the ILIFE V8S is one of the most versatile and powerful robot vacuum cleaners available today. It's capable of vacuuming, sweeping, and even mopping. This device makes it very easy for you to keep your floors at home clean. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.